Hi everybody, it's Friday, so it's time for another Friday Forfeit challenge, and today, Vicky, I thought we could have a game of Uno, and because it's nice and sunny and hot outside, every time we have to pick up, you get a squirt. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Not you get a squirt every time. If I pick up, I get a squirt, and so on, and then the overall loser of the game gets the buckets.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yes.
If the first game is super quick, we'll do best of three, but
Okay.
traditionally our games tend to last a long time. Anyway, we'll see how we go. I'll give this a shuffle. It's really difficult shuffling such a big pack, but oh my gosh. Is that good?
It's a shuffle, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, but I don't want you to think I'm cheating. That's it, that's better. Right, here we go.
Okay.
7 cards each.
Okay. 7 cards each.
There you go.
Okay.
Right then. Oh, and starter is... Starter's a yellow 2.
Okay. Am I going first?
You are going first, ladies first and all that?
Okay. +2.
Oh my gosh. Straight away?
Yeah.
A +2 and I haven't got anything. So I have to suffer 2 squirts.
Oh!
Because I've got to pick up 2.
Result. Okay.
Son of a gun.
How would you like your squirt, sir?
Just quickly to get on with it. 1.
That was rubbish.
That's short. 2.
Maybe I need to do 2 hands next time.
Okay.
That was a bit pathetic.
It's your go.
Okay.
That's really...
Cold?
Yeah.
I can't go.
Oh,
It's me.
you can't go.
Oh, hang on. So if you can't go, you get a squirt?
When you pick up, you've got to get a squirt.
Oh,
Ready?
hands.
Shall I do the legs?
Yeah, remember how...
Okay. That's 1.
Remember how nice I was with you?
Sorry. You were nice. You were nice.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, you're going to laugh.
Picked up again!
Oh, yeah, because
This is fun.
I can't go.
Okay.
If I'd known what you were going to do, I would have made sure that I was more on it.
Now this is a bit warmer. Shall I do this one? You ready?
Yes.
That's 1 squirt.
The face must be horrendous.
I'm enjoying this so much. Okay. Okay.
I can't believe I've
that's wet.
lost the game.
Okay. We're up to a yellow 8.
Right, I'm going to change it to green 8.
Green 8.
Yeah.
Green 9.
Green 5.
I can't go on a green 5.
Oh, it's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to actually put my cards down so that I actually do it
Wow!
properly this time.
Okay, that's rather cold.
Yeah.
It's getting colder. Oh, I didn't pick up. Okay, it's your go.
Okay, it is
Wow.
a green 4.
Green 4.
Yeah. Can't go, can you?
Green 4.
Yeah. Green 3.
Yellow 3. Can you go?
No.
Don't move your cards so you don't get them wet. There we go, darling. Yellow 3, you need to pick up now.
Oh, good.
Because you couldn't go.
Okay. Oh, it's a job done. I get the cards wet.
I'm going to follow up with a yellow 7. It's hard to
Are
concentrate.
you looking at my cards?
No, I'm struggling with this wet
Are
on my
you
glasses.
sure?
I'm positive. Oh, come on! Oh. Let's go for this one this time. You ready?
Are you sure you can't?
Well, you can look back on the video.
That's cold. That
I know.
one. We don't need that one.
Good squirt though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go yellow 6.
Okay. I'm going to go with a red 6.
I'm going to go red 6 as well.
I'm going to go a blue 6.
I'm going to go blue 2 and Uno.
Oh. Oh no. What do I do?
Don't know. What do you
Do
do?
I change it or do I leave it? I'm going to go red 2. Is it a red?
Red 4.
Joking. Oh, look. I could have carried on with blue.
What do you have? Oh, Vicky!
And I chose to change.
Oh my gosh. Well, I enjoyed that game very much, Vicky. Now,
yeah, I did too.
we've pretty much used up the water
Look how wet
bottles.
I am.
I think we just finish. I think we just go for the buckets and be done with.
Yeah, you don't really want to sing another game.
Do you want me to finish off the water bottles on you as well? You
no,
sure?
Absolutely not.
I could just pour them into
No,
the bucket.
No, you're right.
No?
Just let's get on with this.
I love this game so much. Okay, we've got quite a few other challenges lined up, but for now, this is today's challenge. Oh, Vicky.
I always lose.
It gives me
It's
immense...
rigged.
Look at the colour difference between that and that. It gives me great pleasure to... These are nice and warm though, feel that. Good?
Well, it's wet.
It gives me great pleasure to warm you up a little bit. Oh, you're taking it like a champ. We're halfway there. Okay, you ready?
I can't wait.
For the next one?
Yeah.
You superstar. That is very funny.
I'm really, really
You're
wet
a bit
now.
giddy on. I think my backside's wet now as well because it's poured onto the...
Are you sure you didn't want to put more in the bucket?
Well, it's a standard bucket depth, Vicky. Anyway, before we have another marital dispute, guys, that is it for another Friday Forfeit challenge. That was great fun. Thank you, Vicky. And as ever, do remember to look at the channel for the regular videos. We love having a good laugh doing these. We love life, and hopefully that comes across in the videos. But the main point of the channel is obviously the collection of bike repair videos. So do like, do subscribe, all the things you need to do, and be sure to tune in next week, next Friday. In the meantime, have a great bank holiday weekend, and we'll see you next time.
And hopefully you'll get wet next time.
Never mind.
Bye.
See you soon.